Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview on one of our oil change kit options for the Volkswagen and Audi 1.8 liter turbocharged 20 valve engine. This particular oil change kit features 5 liters of the Renault VW50, a Mala original oil filter, and the drain plug. Renault VMO carries formal factory approval from Volkswagen for the 50200 oil quality standard. This is the only oil specification that should be used in the 1.8 liter turbocharged engines. If you don't specifically see that specification indicated on the bottle, it is an inferior quality oil and shouldn't be used in your engine. What really sets this oil apart from other oils in the industry is Renault's Clean Cinto technology. Clean Cinto is a higher quality synthetic oil base than what's typically used in the industry, and it features a highly advanced additive package engineered in Germany. When compared to other synthetic oils on the market, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and as well an improvement in fuel economy. That's just a few of the many features and qualities of the Renault VMO. To see more on this awesome oil, you can check out our website. Our oil change kit features the Mala original oil filter. Mala is an official OE manufacturer and refuses to sacrifice when it comes to the quality of their oil filters. Their filters use OE specification flow rates, materials, capacity, and construction. And as well, this oil filter features the anti-drain back valve and a pressure relief valve. As well, we have the drain plug in our oil change kit. This is the identical design to the original with the built-in sealing washer. So that's what's included in our oil change kit for the Volkswagen and Audi 1.8 liter turbocharged 20 valve engines. If you have any questions on our BLAU oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or you can visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.